Ndlovukazi. 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 Ngwedi. Ngwedi. Antu. Imhotep. Sama kuthiwa sibonge vele. Inkosi yokulihlaza ithi sibonge. And into vele okumele ibe semkhondweni wethu ukuthi yonke into iyahlonishwa. Yonke into iyabonga. Whether kuncane or kukhulu kumele ubonge. And into egrounda lokho kubonga inhlonipho. Foundation yesintu, foundation yobuntu, foundation kaMahati, inhlonipho nokubonga. Mawungenayo inhlonipho uzimosha wena sel. Ngoba ngisho okuncane njengobusho khetha nokukhulu kuyabonga. And inhlonipho foundation. Silapha nje sizohlonipha idlozi elikhulu, idlozi lokuqala emhlabeni. Sizolibonga futhi because ngaphandle kwalo ngaba kunampilo emhlabeni. Uma ke itopic sikhuluma ngokuthi uAsa inkosi yamakhosi. Sikusho lokho ngokubugcwele. Ngoba injalo lento. Sikhuluma ngescience yabantu abamnyama. Iscience eyazile ukuthi yonke into yembezwe ilobuhlaza. Yonke into emhlabeni. So ingakho sithi uAsa is the king of kings. Remember mesikhuluma ngesiqalo Zeptek ukhulukhulwa. Angazi ngesuthu nimbiza. Nimbiza ngesuthu. Sangikhuluma ngomvuseleli. Ngibuza ngokhulukhulwa kunun. Ngesikhemethi bathi unepecha. Nebecha. Meaning ukuthi all encompassing. Meaning yonke into emerges from ukhulukhulwa and resolves back to ukhulukhulwa. Lesotho yini?
We'll ask you, man.
Yini? Miso. Imiso kusho ukuthini? Where leyo ke sesizoyithola item yesuthu kuyapha mesi understand ukuthi life itself emerged from that khulukhulwane. And the low khulukhulwane usikhumbuza futhi the chemical signature of the universe, which is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So manje kumele si understand umvuseleli from that point of view ukuthi thina our souls umvuseleli ngathi in the technology host yayo yonke into. It's like the internet. Whoever is hosting internet hosts billions of people around the world. So umvuseleli uASA is that, because uASA hydrogen. uASA hydrogen, meaning ukuthi uASA sheet upon which all frequencies zethu, our unique, genetical code is embedded. Nature ingubo la siplaka khona sonke, la si image khona before siba physical. You have that on that, meaning ukuthi lento mesithi khuluma ngesoul yakho sikhuluma ngoASA. Yingakho okhokho bathi whether you live or you are dead, you are ASA. Meaning ukuthi in your conscious state you are ASA. In your unconscious state you are still ASA. Because that energy never dies. Meaning ukuthi nayi information yomuntu uyazokhokho, they were not Tamsaki. If ubuka manje the star formation abayibiza ukuthi Orion star formation imile, it's on the upright, and that is the star formation that is associated nomvuseleli uASA. Meaning ukuthi okhokho bethu, they were not Tamsaking again when they say ukuthi uASA is hibernating, because when that process or that period begins, uASA lies in a repose, a position, meaning ukuthi ulele ubheke phezulu. Sikhuluma ngani when he assumes the position ukuthiwa uSoka. ASA the black god, now it's ASA the green god. Man. Why? Because imvelo confirm everything starts greening. So this is what we are talking about. Kahle kahle into esibopha sonke emhlabeni ney'tshalo hydrogen. Simple as that. See hydrogen. Hey. So yingakho ke sithi uyinkosi yamakhosi. Ngoba there is no soul that is independent of that layer of ASA. All souls zixhumekeke la. Nayi gidinga. Remember ngikhulume ngama frequency. All of us derive our frequency from that. Then more frequency, it means ukuthi you are that light body manifest. Which is why you then need to consciously and consistently be conscious. Because mawungekho conscious and we are plugged la, uyenza the system. Uyalimaza. Shokuthi lokhu uyamgwaza uASA. Ngalokhu colonize mind yakho. Uyamgwaza uASA all the time. Instead ukuthi ube yile frequency that is fueled evuthisayo leleya kaASA. Ubulala amandla. Why? Because usontekile. Bakusontile. You are looking in the wrong direction. Abashonga mistake ukuthiwa siye emasontweni siyosontwa. Akusonta ukuthi ubhekele inature ibhekele. Bathi hayi buka ngapha. Manje mele uyisontulule. Must come back at me. Because who that is causing a weakness here? Hey, remember amandla ethu avela kubani? Ku-Asa. And la mandla siwathola only when we acknowledge u-Asa. Siyamvuthelela. Mesim-ignora simenza abe weak. Kube lula ukuthi uSeth amnqobe. And u-Asa meke nqondo, we feel it. Hey, u-Asa is our soul. Shokuthi uyi ngathi ufana ne chemic chat. Hey, chemic chat is the platform upon which all of us are going to be communicating. It's exactly what happens in Asa. So ayikho into that escapes u-Asa. So ingakho all the time le principle kumele siyibonge because siphila ngayo. Futhi especially makufike lesikhathi yiso isikhathi sokuthi throughout the whole season siyabonga. Siyabonga sibongani ukuthi impilo has returned. Remember ukuthi abelungu banokujabulela ama lunar nama solar eclipse. Thina sijabuleli lokho. It doesn't become an event la siyobukela khona all these things. To us it's a very negative thing because akumelanga kube nento e-obscura ilanga. Ilanga has always to shine upon us because we depend on the sun. We depend kumvelencane, we depend kumvuseleli. Once umvuseleli a weak, we become weak. You remember kwaba ne lunar eclipse? For about a minute, you could feel la emhlabeni. You know, there was that chill, unsettling, chill. Bandanyana, okungekho right. That is a symbol which is not something that should be celebrated. Oh, Coco Bet, you never celebrated that. Now, because sesanqotshwa emqondweni. Sesiyajabula nathi. Siyofuna loads classes. Babiza. Foolishly sigibela intaba. Even babiza observatory. Siyagibela on that day. Sifuna lenyanga that has conquered the sun. We rejoice on that. And we're not supposed to rejoice on that. So, iyo ke lento ukuthi mele sibuye imfundiso yethu kumele izinze la ngaphakathi kithina because mengazenzile kula senza khona ama decisions are wrong. And the mesenza ama decisions are wrong, we are affecting uluntu in general. Uwedwa nje because that spark on that cloth ka-Asa gets affected. So Tina, we don't realize the damage that we do when we continue to perpetuate colonization in our minds. U-Asa simehlisa amandla, kanti u-Asa siyamdinga manje implementation time. Asekho, remember ukuthi mawuhlala kakhulu in the subconscious mind. Sigcina sithi uyahlala. Akumelanga uhlale kakhulu lapho, kumele ungene uphume. Because waba lapho continuously. So ubona izinto esingaziboni. Thina bese sithi uyahlala. Kanti awuhlali. You are in another world. You are living more in your subconscious mind. So when I live into oza nazo, some of us are not ready to hear. Because sisasenyameni sigcine manje sesiyakuvalela sikumuse ibhedlela zamahlala eFontaine ngoba kune speaker esingahambi kahle la ekhaya so wele too much ngayo and kumele sibheke leyo lento le ukuthi wena yingalento le ukuthi abantu babasenyameni to a point ukuthi ayitshele ukuthi yena mdala kunawo wonke abantu. Do you understand? So ugcina sowuphila in that illusion, and that illusion makes you react in a different way like it. So many uqaphele lento. ukhehla uke wayikhuluma ngezibungu la ekhanda lakithi kunezibungu ezimbili kuzo zonke ilwane phela ikhona manje isibungu esodwa mesingashayi kahle usenkingeni sobona ngawe nezenzo zakho ukuthi hayi awusekho nomali udingani imbeza mele sikubhunyisele ngembeza to balance ke lezibungu yazi moloko wenza izinto ezisnacks nje bathi singaka understand ukuthi lo muntu wayeperforma kanje wayebehave ngalendlela inkingi lapha nenkinga la ibungwini la mele zibe balance lezibungu lezi manje uyabona izo zonke lezi zinto lezo kumele siyiqaphela ngithi ukuthiwa ilife ibalance iorder istructure ma-art ma-art uthi ungayi kakhulu ngapha futhi ungayi kakhulu ngapha striker ibalance so that yonke into oyenzayo must appear and ibe normal ngoba uma uhlala ngalezweni lokho kakhulu akubi right wena ulokhu usitshela nje ngamachibi alapha ngey'ntaba zalapha ingabambeki makuthi uyayisondela iyadisappear ulokhu usitshela ngalezi zinto into i-reality yakho manje thina sakuzwa because it's not our reality so mele uthi uphinde ubuye ungayi waya u-Asa ufuna angithi u-Asa vele ukabili u-Asa unesikhathi se-hibernation isikhathi leso which is half of the year wena busy with the subconscious mind 6 months of the year you must be busy with the subconscious mind 6 months of the year another one you are busy with the conscious mind sisenyameni manje masitshele ukuthi siyoenzana nezinto zomoya si physical manje siya implementa manje ngoba uma ungahlala ngalentweni yomoya waya there won't be any growth uzolokhu usitshela nje wena ukuthi usaxhumane noSahman and the family implement Sunday conversation noSahman asekho isikhathi sidlulile siya-implementa manje even in life itself in nature khona manje singena kumvundisikazi after u-Asa angithi imbewu sesiyitshalile le mbewu kumele iqhume noma kanjani ngo-October mengaqhumi there's something wrong okhokho bathumela amatshitshi anyuka intaba ayobuza ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba naku le mbewu ayiqhumanga nature is like that even nawe ngaphakathi kunjalo you are affected by the movement of our planet around the sun ulentuza u-Asa umvuseleli when u-Asa is affected asumvuseleli kuphela kiRamasedi nesuku ingacabangi ukuthi niyasideline into eyodwa mesithi Ramasedi sithi mvuseleli sithi mvele inqaba sithi qhamatha so abantu bangacabangi nje ukuthi i-colonization ye-spiritual by the Zulu speaking no the Ngoni speaking people not the Zulu because we are not Zulus ngabangoni abangoni includes abeSuthu abaTswana amaPedi yonke into why bathi singabangoni is because we adhere to the laws of Ma'at siphila ngoma-art that is why okhokho sabizwa ukuthi singabangoni we never violated the natural laws of nature besiphila perpetually seeking a-resonance between izulu nomhlaba yile nto sizama ukuyenza namhlanje ukuthi into esiyenzayo i-resonate nalokhu okukhona nje naturally emhlabeni kungenza izinto zasama ngewili. It's all about that. Ukuthi lo Asa ola ngaphakathi kithini kumele simvuselela kanjani ngokumrecognize ngale ndlela esimrecognize ngakhona ngoba Asa uyithi. You can't look at Asa as something that is outside of you. Umzimba wakho nje uAsa. Ngoba umzimba wakho projected from that sheet of Asa. Your frequency, your unique frequency. Maningi vela ama frequency lapha, but everybody has got their unique frequency. Fingerprint yami ngeke ifane neya somebody else. It's that uniqueness. Essenza and then in that sheet of Asa, there are 12 houses. 12 houses. La siphuma khona sonke based on your birth date. Ilanga belila umhlabula mawuzalwa. You belong to that house. Meaning which you embody the energy. Efana ne energy yaleyo. And there are 12. Ukuthi wena ucebekhulu means nothing. At the core, at the base, we le principle ozalwe ngesizini yayo. There's nothing more, there's nothing less. So let's into Z12. And let's into this Z12 to actually complete the whole picture. Meaning ukuthi uAsa mele fika wenza isiqephu sakhe adedele uHetheru adedele uJehuthi kanjalo ize iyofika again to uNuthi. So nobody is born outside of these 12 houses. So you need to locate yourself within the 12 houses that are embedded on that sheet ka Asa. Yikho sithi yinkosi yamakhosi. Ngoba Asa uthiwa uAsa when is in hibernation namadlozi wonke amathongo are in hibernation. Yingakho sazi ukuthi kusemqoka ukuthi uma wenzela amadlozi something ukhunjulwa amadlozi akhunjulwa vele ngesikhathi lawo asakhona esuka khona from the northern hemisphere sekebuya ngapha. That's when we remember them, because now they start being alive, because there's movement, there's motion. So uAsa meke vuka naye nabo bavukile njengalesikhathi. Ungabahluphi belele. Banalabantu abazohlaba imbuzi ngo7 ngo8. Amakhetha sebelele. So wena sofuna ukubavusa bazowamukela lesilwana ozosihlaba la. So ungahlonipha amadlozi leyo nto leyo. Mele sigweme leyo. Isikhathi sokuhlaba is before the sun, sets. Meaning ukuthi mebehamba beyolala bahambe nenkulumo yakho. So kwazi ukwenza inkulumo then sebehambile. It's like wenza ipart. Remember ukuthi thina siyidla inyama engakhulunyelwa. Yepha because of socialization we keep violating. Sidla inyama yasebusha. They are violator every day. Remember ukuthi energy is never, makuthiwa energy never dies. Akhulunywa nge-energy yakho kuphela. Kukhulunywa nange-energy yesilwane. Noma sosidlile. Siyakubuza ukuthi ungidleleni. Ngikwenzeni? Sibona uqumba nje mafethu kodwa lenyama. Kanti lento le. So mele siqaphele le. Uzwanda, it's not only because ukuthi inyama kumelanga sidle makhehla kepha is because of that violation. Hey, yikho mele sizame ukavoid inyama. Idla ke inyama once in a while makuhlatshiwe la ekhaya. Ungalokhu udla inyama yasebhusha niyazi siyayithanda sonke nami. But illogical makhe. Illogical. Amabhunu ayadubula. Le inkomo nale imbuzi. Shokuthi mass production. Lapha eabattoir. Kufika nje ibhamu lapha sishaye inkomo manje seyibuza ukuthi kepha ngenzeni. Ngabulawa nje kungenankulumo. Uyathola leyo nto leyo. Bese ke bathi thina ngeke ngezwe bathi thina SPCA izama ukumukisa abantu ecourt ukuthi thina we are cruel. The way we kill our animals, cruelty. Isibhamu. No, remember thina we have the art of sacrificing isilwane. Like inkomo ushaya once, gone. La mawuyazi lento yenzayo. Ayizwanga nobuhlungu. Isibhamu senzayo. Asiphahlaza uqhoko. Manje eyiphi ke wazi? Isibhamu wena ke. And the worst of it, awukhulumelanga ke lo moya ingakho ke amaJuda anekosha. Amandiya ane halal. Ba-avoida lento engintshela yona. Ukuthi lento abayidlayo ingababukeli bavukele. Ngoba ilo moya ongafi. Spirit never dies. Ungayithathi kancane ukuthi no because imbuzi le, inkomo imvu le. Doesn't have a soul, it does, and that soul never dies. It will always remind you. It will always remind you. That goes back to Asa. You know, Uguti, even, Neilwan is the controller of Asa. Yonking the controller of Asa. Bese ke sibuza ke uyakhumbula ngengathi kahle kahle thina besiphiliswa umoya. We didn't need. So ungitshele ukuthi ikhabishi lona mesilile siyalikhulumela. Siyalikhulumela ikhabishi. Asilikhulumeli. Alina umoya. Manje sithini ngalokho? Khumbula sithe yonke into iphoke uAsa. Imizi yonke into before ulidla. Mele ukhabishi, mele ukudla. It's logical. Uma sibona ku-right embuzini nasemkhukhwini nakukhabishi mele kube njalo. Otherwise there's no balance. Amanda, mele siwakhulumela remember ukuthi amanzi it's what? The chemical lentuza signature yakho. Two hydrogen and oxygen. Uasa no oxide. When you look at it like that, uasa no oxide combination. Yingakho ke sithi amanzi is the source of life. And then into sinagi. Maugeza yini le that renews you, revitalizes you. Ananda man. Yebo. Uzizwa ukuthi hayi nabi yabona awuzizwa kahle. Ungena emanzini nje uyavuka. Njengamanzi alapha enzalo. Bewebanda kepha uma ungena. Uthola imfudumalo. Meaning ukuthi umzimba wakho is absorbing extra hydrogen and oxygen in your system. Uthole abelungu bathi kithi we are barbarians ngokuthi seqembe. Phela thina asigqoki konke lokho. Uhamba nje ngembamba. Why? Because you are letting in, you are absorbing more oxygen in your system. Abelungu bakubona as being barbaric. You don't understand the laws of nature. The more layers you put on your body, the more oxygen uyayivalela. Yingakho sigula kangaka. I-example yalokho ukuthi umuntu meke gula abekwe on one side udeveloper angasukumi embhedeni udeveloper. Yeah, because there's no longer access oxygen on that side of this. So lezi zinto lezi thina besizenza azikho barbaric. Ningamameli ingane man. Ilokhu intshela ukuthi your wisdom is barbarism. Njengoba kushisa kanje ushaya ngembambo sekhaya manje. Shaya ngembambo nje uqimbe nje ube right. You are absorbing more oxygen into your system. And the lokho ku revive so much in your system nje. Because your system vele iyayidinga leyo. Abantu baguliswa yini? Lack of oxygen. Uma uhlala in a confined area space, akuna oxygen eningi. The better, the best thing to do, mawuvuka ekuseni, just uhlale ngaphandle uhogele umoya. Let oxygen and hydrogen into your system to heal you. Ngoba uzothola ukuthi ezinye izifo yiyo lento le. Awutholi oxygen enough into your blood system. Yingakho ugcina ugula. Yeah? Amamas. No, amamas phela uyavala. And uyavala, mawuvala ugula mo. Ngoba manje yenzakalani lento that you exhale. It is carbon dioxide. Meaning ukuthi we are taking it back. We are keep out here we eat. And remember ukuthi izifo zonke zilashwa yini? Ile hydrogen ne oxygen. Nathi besiphila ngale hydrogen ne oxygen before ingane zethu zivala. Ilanga. Ngale pollution yabo. We didn't need food because ukudla kuyini? Kuyi-hydrogen. Konke ukudla kuyi-hydrogen. So why mele uthathe the secondary? If you can just inhale directly from the sun. But that is no longer possible because ilanga has been messed up. I believe manje sebene technology yokulivala completely. It means like South Africa mesibakwatisile. Bangavala ilanga until siyoxolisa kubo. Yeah? Banokulivala? No, bayazama ukuspraya ngeplane. Lama plane lanka yiwo la avala that angithi i-technology uyazi ukhetha. I-line of sight is important. When that line of sight is blocked, ayisebenzi kahle. So that is the same thing. Remember ukuthi we have this, electric body which needs direct sunlight. Hey. So if ilanga is blocked somehow, there's no direct sunlight that comes to our system. Therefore, our system is corrupted. So ziningi ke lezinto ezisigulisayo esingaziboni. But manje i-melanin ne-carbon, remember ukuthi i-melanin ne-carbon always iyazilwela. Hey, there are so many attempts abazizamile to actually destroy us naturally, but because of the resilience of i-melanin, le okuyi-carbon always renews itself. Bazibuze ukuthi manje laba besithi sidilile ngabo, they are still alive. It's because of that resilience. Ngeke usenze lutho thina. Ngeke usenze lutho. Ngabakwantu, children of Ntu. Remember ukuthi thina asizalwanga umuntu wenyanga. Sizalwe umvelinqangi nonomkhubulwane. When they decided to make humanity, they made us first. Thina ke sazala ezinye izizwe. So thina siyi-prototype of everything. Yingakho we are a continuous scientific study. They are studying the black person. Even today. Yeah. Bastadisha wena mntu omnyama. Wena ukho awe. Kunabelungu ama-scientists who are sitting every year. And yibo bodwa. They are trying to resolve the question ye-carbon and melanin and the reaction yabo kulo mhlaba. And that is you. It means the study of chemistry is based on you. You are the prototype. Who else must they study? You are the only one with, 9 DNA series. 9, you are the only one. Bonke, they have 6 DNA series. So, umkhulu, it's just that when we are Zinyata. And our Zinyata, you have been made. You have been conditioned to hate yourself. And when you hate yourself, you are hating umvelinqangi self. Ngoba umvelinqangi wena. The first frequency that emerged from Asar's shit, it was your frequency and nobody else. You then gave birth to other people that we see all over the world. So, ubukuluge nobubanzi. It means when you understand Asar, you understand the carbon, you understand the melanin, you are understanding yourself, Mdomnyama. You are understanding yourself. Why? Because that is the beginning. Isiqalo se-science. They still can't, understand the question kakhulukhulwana. Hey, bathi mambo jam. Thina siyabatshela ukuthi there's a source of everything. Bathi ungasitsheli ngaleyo. Mina I'm only interested ukhabishi ne-apple le. Ukuthi lize kanjani emhlabeni, that's not my business. That is what makes Western education limited. Because balimitwa yizinto zenyama, izinto that have manifested already. Hey, bazoloko benza njalo because thina kade sadiscover. How can you say what you are discovering when you found the people here? Were thousands and thousands and thousands of years before any other thing existed. Hey, Dr. Ivan van Sertima, they only appeared only 55,000 years ago. All other nations. So it means before, it was just you. All over the world. Not only in Africa. You occupied China, kunabantu abamnyama, Australia kunabantu abamnyama, America kunabantu abamnyama. Angikhulumi ngama-slave lawo khokho babamukisi. Abantu who stayed there because they were following a certain current at a particular season. They knew ukuthi kune current that can take them from Africa to America. Ngemikhumbi yabo. They understood that side. They reached America before the Mitzvah of Columbus. But they discovered us. How can Ingane discover the parent? Arrogance, sheer arrogance. Ingane discover the parent. How does that happen? Ustola sila. When we are figure, ngobumusha. You've just said to the Americans, Tinagate sila. Then the source discovery. Kanjani? So ingakho ngithi qaphelani fundiso lengane. Izonilahlekisa. Izonilahlekisa because ngabazali. It means that you need to question each and everything oyitshelwe umlungu. Yonke into must be questioned because amanga. Hey. Yonke into. Actually, laba nama degree sorry. Change the school fees good time. This funds wrong. No, but there's nothing wrong with the information here. Siyayaza ngithi tina as parents. Ukuthi information yabo is limited. So do like uSheikh Anta Diop, abo Theophile Obenga, abo Sheikh Anta Diop, abo Lenduza, Ivan van Sertima. All these people who used the information yabelo to discover the truth or unravel the truth about Africans. Hey, ungangeni lapha and be swallowed by that system. A system that is limited. It has nothing to, it doesn't explain anything to you about the causal plane. Yonke into abakutshela yona. Hey, ama-theory. And they are they will never be concluded. Theory. It will never be a theorem. Something proven. Like Ikakat. Professor Oyibo from Nigeria. Theorem yabo, it has been proven. Ukuthi everything collapses back to ukhulukhulwane. Into yashula uEinstein nobani no Newton. Bashone bangakhonanga ukuresolve that mathematical equation. Wavela ke uOyibo. uOyibo studied the Shabaka stone, which is a scientific book for us. And he then discovered ukuthi le ngane yonke lento balokho bayifuna nayo. What happens today? Instead ukuthi celebrate bamnikeze futhi, I don't think uyayifuna the Nobel Peace Prize yabo uShikha uLenduza uOyibo, because the minute you recognize Wayelabelu, there's something wrong with you. Abantu abanjengabo Oyibo, abo Sheikh Anta Diop, abo Babu Credo, all these people will be honored by us. Because we know and we see the value of their work. Umlungu would always want to be on top. Even if sekebona ukuthi wrong. Phela uOyibo mathematically calculated everything ukuthi lo x lo y yonke le confusion yakho le bakubeke labo x abo y ungase understand ukuthi yini uyisolvile uOyibo but manje abamsupport because he didn't use their method. He used the Shabaka stone. Ulwazi lokhokho bakhe. That's the power of being Asa. I am Asa, you are Asa. Hey, I see false claim there. Hey, you are Asa, I am Asa, wonke umuntu is Asa. So we need to rise up to that consciousness. Ukuthi siyini the importance yomuntu omnyama nje emhlabeni. Remember ukuthi i-role yakho kusanalento ukuthi kukhona ingane okusamele uzinikeze usi. Ingane egulayo zidinga usiko. Yingakho you need to reoccupy your position of being a parent. Ngoba umzali ingane edinga usiko uyayibona. Ama signs are there. Ukuthi le ngane wayibehave so. Ihlukile kunabanye. Awenzelanga usiko ngeke. Manje ke izinto ke mase size right. Sizoyenza leyo nto into kumele siqale ngayo. First thing that we need to do ukuyoshweleza. Kumele senze lo mkhosi wokushweleza as a nation. A nation of black. Angikhulumi ngebelungu amandiya ama-China yonke. Labo bantu have got nothing to do with us. They are in our country, but we should never consider them when we do our thing. Because with all the negativity, which is why it shouldn't be done. And the ethina siyakwazi ukubaluleka kwayo. Kumele senze lo mkhosi wokushweleza emadlozini. Siqolise nje ukuthi sibaflathele. Sibatshela amanga sathi izwe libuyile lingabuyanga. Ngoba amadlozi mesithi izwe libuyile bafike ebusuku. Nebefika kule farm uFan der Merwe. Bathi le ngane ithini kahle. So we are born about violation in Gaganai. Not only are we violating our own soul to Asa, sikhohlisa namathongo ethu. Ithongo phela mawuthi kulo so uhlala la awusahlala eMidlands. So se Olani libambe lentulo. So wena ulokho uthi hayi sesikhululekile. Bayeza bona ebusuku ngama spaceship up. Remember bahamba ngama spaceship vele. Because they are able to alter reality. Umbona manje athi then the next thing umbona agibeli kahle. Uyayishintsha nje iform yakhe. So ngeke ubakhohlise. Ulokhu batshela ukuthi free ungekho free. Bafike bakuthola ukuphi seParliament. Ikhonkwane zamabhunu zikuvalele. So manje ke makhehla I hope they understand ake uAsa. UAsa from that point of view ukuthi uAsa uyinkosi yamakhosi ayikho inkosi that can claim ukuthi equals uAsa. Anybody who makes that claim is a liar and a mess. You can't equate yourself. Usitshele ukuthi uye uAsa, but wena ungathi ulo Asa that is better than other Asas. That's stupidity. Because Asa ufuna balance all the time. And Asa akafuna compete. Asa akafuna compete uti complement each other. Because lezindlu ezi-12 they control your body as well. Uasa uzothola ukuthi ucontrol ikhanda. Inyanga yokuthi silaphe everything that has to do with the head. Masifika kuheteru. Uheteru ulapha ama-organs angaphakathi. Masifika kujehuthi ulapha ini amadolo. I'm just making an example of food. So that you tell them the right thing. Ijalo. Okhokho they knew ukuthi angikwazi ukulapha amathambo. Let's say in February. It doesn't matter ukuthi ugula kanjani ngoba okhokho bebekulaphela ukuthi uphile ungasabuni. Bebethi linda nje mntanami kancane. Iqondana izinto yabona leyalanga le. Leyanhlanyezi mayilapha zokulapha. Ngoba they understood the season. Ukuthi isizini yalo moya wamathambo. Uge wafila inyawo zikhompyutha. The left ishaya leyo ukuthi why uhamba phambili. Yawa izwa leyo. Yawa fall. Yonke into is in tune. As it compete in your system. All the 12 principles are here. As they compete, they complement each other. Oh, umkhulu ufuna ukuyelevi. Okay, thimu mnike picture elevi uqala mbo. Ngiyayibona ilevi naku ngiyelevi. That ability for me to move from here to the toilet, I shouldn't take it for granted. Ngoba abanye abantu abangayitholanga that picture. Remember, we think in pictures. Before you receive that picture, you won't get to the toilet. Uzothi mawufika la uthi konje ngiyaphi. Hey. Yes. Ipicture ayisekho. Hey. Mele uhambe uyofunani yini manje abantu abathina nabo. Yini Flora yini? Lama company lama ama-camera. Mhlambe ushange Panasonic. Mele ufuna iCanon. Panasonic ayisekho nje. Outdated information. Fortunately UASA always renews because ukhuluma nawe in picture. UASA ukhuluma nawe in emotions. Okhokho bezwa ama-picture nama-emotions. Yingakho bathi and the lendo la sihamba. If ufuna something, just input that picture in your subconscious mind. Every day, every minute, lendo ultimately izoyenzakala. Because you are programming your subconscious mind. Uprograma bani uASA. You are programming uASA. Hey, manje abelungu basifundise ukuthi yonke into esiyifunayo mele sijulukele. Kanti ezinye izinto uzi-attracta ngomqondo. Umqondo wakho becomes a magnet. Why? Because the vibrational frequency yakho ilapha. You are not vibrating at a low frequency. You will never be able to manifest anything whilst you are vibrating at a lower frequency. Yingakho abelungu bafuna ukuthi uze at their level, at their frequency. Then bakubambile la. You then become a robot. Livuke ekuseni lilala. Livuke lilale liyosebenza. Basebenzela bona futhi. Because that's why they train you. Bakutrainela ukuthi ube yi-robot that works for them. Ingakho nje nabantwana mina ngitshelile uzesile manje uqeda isikole akunamlungu yomsebenzi ngokubulala kabi kuye mawuqeda lento ofuna ukuyenza oyiyo hamba uyovula ikhampani yakho angifune mntwana mina ozoba islave somlungu mele uqale into from zero uyakhe ize yakhe. Why? Because you have that ability. Kumele uphile mawumuntu and uphile ngetalent. Italent lakho liqhumeke kuphi? Kumveli incane uAsa. Ifrequency yakho unique to you. Hey, ngingakho umkhulu umlaba meke ngekho siyamkhumbula. Ngoba unaleyo unique frequency. Siyazi ngeke khona. Kinga umbane nompho uAsano says hey yabona ama principles sineswaphilayo on a daily basis. If you want to understand the Asa no set study umpho nomplaga ayikho ngathi 10 minutes bayazwana nabantu inengabi 10 minutes after 5 minutes bay 2 uzozwa ngomsini hayi wena hawu that is a true manifestation yalama principle meaning ukuthi le calendar yethu iyaphinda ngoba it describe i character Set it describe the character ka Asa. And those characters, they match the character laban. Go to. Hey. Hey. So, lendo ikonfirma, lendo besisho earlier on. Ukuthi kule ngubo ka Asa that imbeswe yonke into emhlabeni. Ifrequency yakho it bounces off there. Hey, meaning what you emerge from there. And now emerge kulama divisions I 12. We are one of those star signs. I'm a formation. You are one of those star signs. Meaning what character yako is given by those star signs. Whether you say Japan, whether you say America, uzothola ukuthi umlaba bayafana. Abo Set, nabo Asa, nabo Nephet, abo Heru. Mawufika eAmerica, uthola ukuthi umbuzo umuntu ukuthi uzalwe nini. Umbuza ngoba sewubonile upha. Yibehavior yakhe ukuthi hayi lo. The way behavior ngakhona I suspect uyile. Mawumbuza umuntu aconfirm ukuthi vele niyileyo nto leyo. Hey, why? Because so understand that when right before it means ukuthi abantwana bethu cannot be slaves again, because thina sashawa ukuthi okhokho bethu nabazali bethu were not aware. Abazali in the near past, they were not aware of these signs. Hey, so ukuthi wena mawukhula nje sebeyitshelile ukuthi you are going to be a doctor wena. Futhi ungangitsheli nini. Ukushaya. Uzozuyithathe leyo profession. Hey. Omunye umama nje, umotivator ukuba uthisha. Athi umntana wami uzoba ithisha uyathanda noma kathani. And uzongena uyenze leyo. They didn't realize ukuthi they were killing you. Hey, they were killing you because bona bafuna ukuthi wena ufite, their societal expectations. Ukuthi no kulela khaya kunabo doctor, kunama teacher, kunayo yonke. Phela there was that competition ebhedala la yana. They compete ngokuthi abantwana how much they are colonized. They didn't know any other thing. Hey, Mina, Namatishara 2 in my house. I have 2 doctors. I have this and that and that. Mr. Betomela, like my trooping. My house goes like this without realizing what you know. Baba China colonization is on. Bible. So now, Tina, we are more fortunate. Siyazi ukuthi ingane yami izalwe ngalesikhathi. Akusamelanga lo mntwana ngumuse any other way. Kumele realize and learn and study the principle and the character of that principle, so that ngiyazi umntwana wami uyilendo. And the signs ngiyabona the way I behave ngakhona. By the time ebamdala lo mntwana so mfake kule profession yakhe ebuncaneni bakhe. By the time they reach 1820, they are masters of who they are, natural. That is the future of African people. Siphile ngamatalent ethu. Singaba ama-robot. Because uma uphila ngetalent lakho, impilo yakho becomes like a prayer. Shokuthi every day wena ubaselela umvuseleli. Ngokuthi every day you are creating a resonance. Mama kune resonance lapha kunani? Electrical akuna spark. Huh? Love. Hey, kuna spark. Hey, that's the resonance that you need to do. It doesn't matter ukuthi ayikabhadali manje into yakho. Bahlala kuyo until izikubhadala. It must be the source of your income. Then in that way, yazi usezulwini awangazi ukuthi uzokuthi ufina injabulo every day. Hey, noma umuntu exela negativity ubuyela back there, because that is your place of comfort. Talent life, and nobody can take it away from you. Hey, it doesn't matter which ubani. So in future uzolamba ngoba ulivila, but opportunities will be there for you to fully express who you are at the core of your being. Malosu usifikela la uthi unesi. Mawufika esibhedlela the way uthuka abantu ngakhona abazolashwa. Awufuneki lapha kumele sikhiphe. Go back to your talent. You don't belong there. Uye lapha because of the economic situation. But inhliziyo nomoya ukho lapha. So rough ebantwini. Uyabathuka nokubathuka. Azongidina. Ukuthi ulimale wenziwe imuthi ulimale ufunanda zosidina inesa isho njalo a natural bornness unesineke avule isilonda somuntu astreet and umbone lo muntu ukuthi uyenza ngenjabulo. They are happy while they are doing it. Ungathi mawuvula isilonda lo muntu anyanya bhekele uvuka omunye umoya la kuye uyakwata ngizofuna ngizosihlupha and that time uyambhadala ngoba huwe tax yakhe embhadalayo. So umuntu kumele ahlale endaweni yakhe zazi. Once you know the calendar, you will know yourself, you will find yourself. And lapha ku chemist check abantu bazogroupa according ama star signs abo. Kuthi kunabo Heru, kunabo Neptune, kunabo Jehuti. Asizweni ke ukuthi menihlangana yini le nisinikezayo that will help us to complete the picture. Singalokho computer la. Siyazi ukuthi mesifuna ama manager of our programs. Now yindlu egcwele ama manager. Masifuna ama communicator siyendlini kaJehuti. Masifuna lokhu siyalapha. And labantu laba anihlangani nje ngoba nilokho nikhuluma nje ukuhleba. You are bettering yourselves. Uguti, how can we do better as the communicators? How can we do better as the nurses, as the protectors? That is how we should actually group ourselves. And in future, besikuluma no kesala. Kumele si identify the principle. You must wear a t-shirt that has your principle. Angisabuzi. Sengibuka ngithi oh Sahmed sharp. Sengiqedile ngawo. Sengiyakwazi ukuthi unjani. You understand? So kumele sifike kuleyo point ukuthi sonke we identify each other based on our principles. And the US phakamisayo all the time because yiwo principles like that are responsible for the maintenance of life in general. Okay. So konke lokho i-foundation u-ASA. U-ASA is the host. Yakho konke lokho. Bathi uma ungibukile, I'm looking at myself. They say ukuthi what brings physicality, consciousness. Mengilele ebusuku ngibona yonke into ngibona ngokamoya. Ngisabona noma ngilele. Meaning ukuthi le physicality engiyibonayo it's an illusion. Kunini kunyana. Asifuna ukuyamukela. It means ukuthi amehlo ami o ukubuka kwami kungifake kwenye i-dimension. Uma ngaphuma kule dimension ngeke ngibone lutho. Ngiyobona nje imimoya. Imimoya that are united. You know kule sheet ka-ASA. So izinto ke lezi okumele iscience yethu must continue to develop. Ukuthi sikhone ukuba na better understanding of yonke the science yokhokho bethu. Because the more we understand the science, it's better for us ukuthi size understand ourselves. The more you understand ASA, the principle ka-ASA, you're better understanding yourself. Angazi noma nginamanga but lapha in the star mawubheka ebusuku, the Orion star formation is the only star formation that represents umuntu. Am I right? Huh? Nike nayibuka lo. Hey. The Orion vele ngathi umuntu walking. Hey, bathi uphethe yini? Hey, bo. Hey.
Ukhona manje.
Huh?
Ukhona.
Yes. Ubheke mashoni la. Hey, uzombona ngala le nkanyezi lezi. Le nkanyezi ezintathu. Le nkanyezi lezi ezintathu ezilapha ku-Orion. Zilinka apha namatshe amathize lapha enzalo yelanga. Zilinka apha nama-pyramids ayi-3 lapha in the complex yenzalo yelanga. It means ke ukuthi lento yaseyingulubeni iyiqiniso. Lento ubaphela lokho ayisho ukuthi kunesizwe esehlela from lapha. Sisuke ingulubeni sehlela la emhlabeni. Ubaba Credo aphinde athi i-communication portal between ourselves and those that reside engulubeni. Bayakhona ukusizwa nathi siyakhona ukuthumela ama-message. So the more we get deeper understanding of that side yasenzalo yelanga, sizoyibona i-value very soon. Okwamanje sesalwela nje ukuthi inga-privatize Orlando. Once you know say khona la ngaphakathi kithi, you know, or in our control, kunabantu nje abaningi who are prepared ukusincedisa in the fight of restoring that site. Into yokuqala kumele ibuyele ile latshe lendlovukazi kumele ibuyele back to its position, and nawo wonke lamatshe laba kumele abuyele to their position, zi-readjustwe, kuklinwe kahle, kube yindawo engcwele vele leya. Iklinwe kahle, even i-development iharmonize ne-nature yalapha. Stop Usabi from trading in our sacred space. Basic business in our sacred space. So we need to stop that. And it will stop. When we process it, kunabantu who are not cowards, who have already committed which very store is a piece of stuff, because it's an insult to be trading, you know, in one of the ancient sites, sacred, the holy of holies, where now is the business lab. And the high which you are not conscious, you are conscious. Uzisigele nje wena umhlaba in our holy land. Bathi mina ngizoyenza ibhizinisi ngapha. Ngingaqhubeka. Yini leyo nto leyo? Ukusidelela. Le Palestine lokho kuhambisana nentambo. Uyanqunywa mawudelela sacred places zabantu. We will get to that level. Now we are in control of inzalo yelanga. Not only inzalo yelanga. Remember ukuthi mele siye nasePulukwane. Capricorn. From a Capricorn mele siye le Kurumani west. From a west mele in Cape Town south. Table Mountain. Mele siyo hijacker. Reclaim it from Labelu. Buy a tourist place. Kumele siyoyibuyisa. And the bars ukuthi mesiza lapho on the 21st of June. Umuntu anyakaza. Value tourism on that way. Asifune tourists. Abazolokhu basithathe ithombe thina whilst we are connecting with our soul wasa. Izoyenzakala leyo nto kancane kancane. Abantu will begin respecting zonke le ndawo zethu, and nathi we will begin regaining our power, our strength as abantu abamnyama. Basithenile okamanje because bavalele le ndawo. They thought ukuthi mebevalela Egypt becomes under occupation or perpetual occupation, then uvaliwe ngumuntu omnyama. Kanti abazi ukuthi umoya uneplan. Umoya uthi cha, akubuyele la izinto zaqala khona. Into esimangazile ukuthi wonke lama-size langa ubaba Khwele wakhuluma ngabo even before. Sibona isimanga leyaseLimpopo is abandoned. Ilinde thina. It's abandoned meaning ukuthi siyofika lapha okhokho basi reservele yona. Right on the line of latitude. Capricorn. Meaning ukuthi ilanga on that day shango on that line. La sizobe siphatha khona. Inkinga nje ngoba lese Kurumani, remember ukuthi 4 cardinal points. uDecember, uJune, uMarch, uSeptember. Mele sibe in different places all the time. Sihambe amagumbi amane omhlaba to complete the picture. Siloko sikhabula. Si complete land. So siyazi ukuthi December sise Polokwane eCapricorn. Bayibiza ukuthi Capricorn Monument. Kula siya khona. Ivaliwe manje. It was open, operate abantu be tourism but yabahlula. Bayivalile. Ilinde thina. ukuthi sambe enye indawo ke besicheka namakhehla on Thursday iKruger National Park leyo ke isiphambano leyo ndawo isesiphambanweni between the line of longitude and the line of latitude la sihlangana khona so yingakho this evil person uKruger wazipha yona le ndawo because they knew the spiritual importance of that place. Even today noma iapartheid seyiphelile labantu bahluleka ukushintsha lela gama. Hey, why bahluleka ukushintsha le gama? Paul Kruger wafanini? Hey, khona manje there's a community there. Bengibukela iTV. The community is fighting to get their land back. Labantu abamnyama oyinkosi yalapha ayisalwi noKruger. Seyilwa noShabalala noShabangu. Who are sitting in those positions of power but refusing to give people their land back. Why? Because isa benefita abelungu economically. Sacrifice imimoya yabantu indawo yabo kula okhokho khona babo balele khona for financial gain. You decide to deprive them of their place, but the proof ukuthi this is our place. We've been here for centuries. This evilness uKruger dala yafa kopha umoya wabo usasahonda namhlanje. So this guy didn't the word. Let's play it. Sivale lapho makhehla. Ungani? Singakhuluma kuze kuyovala ngoAsa ngoba makhehla uAsa uyiyo yonke lento. Uyiyo yonke lento. Hey, silokho manje thina sicabanga ukuthi we are different. Asikho different. One thing that binds us is carbon, not the hydrogen. See, lama elements, sonke, all of us. Because lama elements, they formed our etheric bodies. Etheric bodies were formed by these elements. So as long as we are and see conscious and acknowledge lama elements as a spark. Oh, baya bunga, baya again, oh, baya.
Okay, that was your round of applause. Let's give him another one. Thank you so much, Mkhulu Nzengeza. You were born to do this. You are aligned with all the frequencies that is within you. Because everything that you say, it's switched on. It's like a light bulb in us. Because we get to see ourselves who we are. Doesn't matter whether we are still on the denial mode, or whether we are waking up, or whether we are still in the darkness. But his voice, it goes right into our hearts. So by doing that, Mkhulu, akubonga thina, akubonga amadlozi, akubonga thina, akubonga abalele ubuthongo, akubonga thina, akubonga bonke abantwana bethu bomntu omnyama, because you are giving us a gift that we've been looking for. We've searched mbombo zone zomhlaba, we've been looking, trying to find out who are we. Where did we come from? When you meet Mkhulu Nzengeza, all those answers, or all those questions rather, they get answered. So with that, Mkhulu, we give you our gratitude. And we always say, this is like a relay. Mkhulu can always do this much. But the rest has to come from within us. Because we